Hello and welcome to the December 28th, 2009 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Well, today we are featuring PMC Sierra, ticker symbol PMCS. This is a $2 billion technology company that engages in the design, development, marketing, and support of semiconductor solutions for the enterprise networking, wide area network infrastructure, and access network markets. Well, semiconductors recently have been performing very well in the market on a relative basis, and throughout 2009, PMCS has actually been one of the better performing semiconductor stocks. However, over the last 2 or 3 months, you can see that it's actually been underperforming, but it's been doing so in what appears to be an inverse head and shoulder continuation pattern. Now, these can be very bullish if we get the breakout. The breakout would be a move back above this neckline, which is just above the $9 level. Let's call it about $9.05 or so. And that needs to be supported with some volume to the upside. Now, an aggressive entry point would be assuming that this is the right shoulder and that we will eventually break above that neckline, which means if you want to be in that more aggressive camp, you could be adding or accumulating PMCS right here as it's in this potential right shoulder formation. That would be from the current price, which on Friday closed at $8. Actually, it was on Thursday's close at $8.57, down to recent price support around the 8.25 level. Also notice the 200-day simple moving average is coming in right at 826. So we got a couple of areas of support at the bottom of this right shoulder. So again, what we would look for would be a breakout above the neckline with confirming volume. If we see that, you could take the measurement from the bottom of this inverse head down at about 770, compare it to the neckline up at about 905. That's about $1.35. You tack that on to 905, and the target would be up around $10.40 on a breakout. So we like the chart. It looks pretty good. Again, to the downside, watch about the 9.25 level, or excuse me, 8.25 level. Top side, look for that neckline breakout above 905 or so. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.